Every crafter knows the joy of creating without limits, and the best bag for Cricut Maker 4 is here to make that journey effortless. Imagine carrying your favorite machine safely wherever inspiration strikes, turning every idea into reality without stress or worry. Organized, stylish, and durable, this bag gives peace of mind while keeping your creativity flowing. For those who cherish their tools and want convenience with elegance, this bag becomes more than storage. It becomes a trusted companion in every project, every workshop, and every creative adventure. Number 1. Imagining carrying case for Cricut Maker 3, Maker 4. Imagining carrying case for Cricut Maker 3 Maker 4 double-layer machine bag with cover for Cricut Explore 4 Explore 3 Explore Air 2 storage organizer for Cricut accessories and tools transforms the way crafters experience creativity. Every project feels lighter when tools are safe, organized, and easy to access. Quiet mornings or busy afternoons become more joyful when worry about storage or transport disappears. This bag creates a sense of calm, knowing machines and accessories are protected and ready whenever inspiration strikes. People who value their creativity often seek practical solutions that bring comfort and confidence. Double layers allow everything to feel neat without clutter, while covers and compartments offer reassurance and order. Whether working at home, visiting friends, or attending workshops, carrying essentials feels effortless. This case becomes more than a storage solution, it becomes a companion that supports every idea, every craft, every thoughtful project. Organization meets peace, creating smooth, enjoyable, and fulfilling crafting experiences every day. Number 2. Imagining carrying case bag for Cricut Maker 4, Maker. Imagining carrying case bag for Cricut Maker 4 Maker 3 Explore 4 Explore 3 Explore Air 2 large opening storage for Cricut accessories and suppliers brings ease and calm to every crafting moment. Creativity flows naturally when tools and supplies are secure, organized, and always within reach. Quiet mornings or inspired afternoons feel lighter, knowing machines and accessories are protected and ready for any project. People who value their craft often seek solutions that combine safety, convenience, and simplicity. Large openings allow effortless access while keeping everything neat and orderly, reducing stress and saving time. Carrying this bag transforms workshops, classes, or home projects into smoother, more enjoyable experiences. Each use feels reassuring, helping minds focus on ideas instead of setup or clutter. Imagining carrying case bag creates a sense of confidence and freedom, allowing creativity to take center stage. Every crafting session becomes calm, productive, and satisfying, turning ordinary moments into inspiring achievements. Number 3. Imagining carrying case bag for Cricut Maker 4, Maker. Imagining carrying case bag for Cricut Maker 4 Maker 3 Explore 4 Explore 3 Explore Air 2 large opening storage for Cricut accessories and suppliers makes every crafting moment easier and more enjoyable. Keeping tools and supplies secure creates peace of mind, allowing creativity to flow naturally without interruption. Organized storage helps crafters feel calm and in control, whether working at home, visiting friends, or attending workshops. Large openings make accessing machines and accessories effortless, turning setup into a smooth, stress-free experience. People who value their projects often look for solutions that combine convenience, safety, and simplicity, and this bag provides all three. Every craft session becomes more productive and satisfying when tools are ready and protected. Imagining carrying case bag encourages confidence, freedom, and focus, allowing crafters to spend more time imagining, creating, and bringing ideas to life. Ordinary hours transform into peaceful, inspiring, and rewarding moments with this trusted companion by their side. Number 4. Imagining full enclosed dust cover. Imagining full enclosed dust cover with water-resistant bottom for Cricut Maker 4.3 Explore 4.3 Air 2 protective cover with storage pockets for Cricut accessories, tools, and supplies brings peace of mind to every crafting space. Protecting machines from dust and spills allows creativity to flow without worry, turning ordinary moments into calm, productive sessions. Storage pockets keep essential tools and supplies within reach, making every project feel smooth and organized. Crafters often seek solutions that combine protection, convenience, and ease, and this cover provides all three effortlessly. Whether working at home, at workshops, or visiting friends, this cover ensures machines remain safe and ready whenever inspiration strikes. Daily routines feel lighter when tools are secure and accessible, reducing stress and saving time. Imagining full enclosed dust cover encourages confidence and focus, transforming ordinary hours into enjoyable, fulfilling, and inspiring crafting experiences, allowing every idea to flourish in a calm, organized, and protected environment. Number 5. Imagining carrying case for Cricut Maker. Imagining carrying case for Cricut Maker 3 Maker 4 double-layer machine bag with cover for Cricut Explore 4 Explore 3 Explore Air 2 storage organizer for Cricut accessories and tools transforms the way crafters experience creativity. Every project feels lighter when tools and machines are secure, organized, and easy to access. Quiet mornings and inspired afternoons become more enjoyable knowing machines and supplies are protected and ready whenever needed. Double layers and storage compartments create order, reducing stress and saving time, while covers provide extra reassurance and peace of mind. People who cherish their creative process often look for practical solutions that combine safety, convenience, and simplicity, and this bag fulfills all those needs. Whether transporting to workshops, friends' houses, or moving around the home, carrying essentials feels effortless. Imagining carrying case becomes more than storage, it becomes a trusted companion supporting every idea, every craft, and every project, allowing creativity to flow smoothly, confidently, and with calm focus.